Drenaline squad, welcome back to another video. And like last time, we're doing another bird watching. It's called birding, and this time we are at Madhure Kere lake. And I mean, we are not yet there, we have to walk over there. So yeah, don't mind me if I'm looking like some CSGO counter-terrorist or terrorist, yeah, whatever that is. So but yeah, enjoy the vlog. So yeah, we are completely in wilderness by now, and yeah, I don't know, it's not exactly wilderness. I mean, you could see, okay, you can't see the lines behind me. Okay, cool. Just consider it wilderness, okay? Because there's no network. Where there's no network, there is wilderness. And I'm pretty sure I heard a peacock call from over there in that forest area. So it'd be epic if we see a peacock. And yeah, oh, my neon shoes are gone because I'm walking in the swamp. I gotta clean. Currently
we're exploring the
lake and the swamps.
Probably, yeah.
Getting our shoes dirty. Not his, he has waterproof shoes. My shoes dirty. It's okay, I'll clean it. Like, yeah, I'll try my best to clean
we
it.
get some water birds now.
Yeah, and get our shoes dirty as well. So we have an ant hill, probably could be a snake hill, and now we have entered the forest. Not officially entered, I mean, we're too scared to do that. Change in plan, we are going inside the forest. Logan Paul mode on. Now we are outside the forest. We came out because it's raining. There's a web. Watch out.
Somebody has picked this spider.
Yeah. So what we didn't spot anything, or did we spot something?
We were actually in search of owls.
Yeah.
We heard a call.
Mm-hmm.
Probably it could be Mortal Rudolph.
Yeah.
And then we are in search of red falcon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cockle.
Cockle.
Get a cockle.
Okay.
So hopefully we'll
find. We'll try again.
Yeah.
Or luck matters. I think we just spotted a peacock 12 o'clock from there, and I think we just on the trail for it. Hopefully we could capture it. Something. We are lost. Don't tell anybody. Okay, so we are outside the forest. We found a little bit civilization and a little bit of Google Maps, although it was trying to trick us. One thing, never trust Google in when there's no trail. It keeps, spinning you around in circles, and yeah, probably we're gonna have to walk a lot now. So yeah, we've been through pretty much an adventure, I guess. So yeah, just narrate what happened. So
Yeah.
we took photos. We went in the swamp area. We got our shoes spoiled. We went in jungle. We thought we knew the way, but we lost the way. We were lost in the forest for about an hour. In between absolute wilderness. We came outside. We waited for transportation. We lost hopes. And what else did we do? Yeah, we found our way back. Now we are on the.
We're heading back.
We are heading back to a vehicle. So the trip is over, but here are some, photos of how the trip went. I mean, what all species we documented. I mean, I can't put all of them, but I can put few of them, few of the important ones, a few, yeah. Enjoyed, I mean, not just birds, even spiders, so. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a like. Please comment your views. Should I make more videos like this? Share it to as many people you can. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check Umer Sharieff Photography on Instagram. There's a link in the description. And I'll see you in another video. Just dab it. And bye.
Hey, congratulations.